Hello! In this video, we take a look at the best tennis rackets currently available on the market. We've spent 200 hours researching and evaluating the top 20 rackets, using external tests and reviews. With the help of our TUV certified quality management system for testing and comparison, we are able to present to you the best tennis rackets in these categories. The best tennis racket for beginners, the best tennis racket for kids, the best tennis racket for seniors, the best tennis racket for women, and the best tennis racket for advanced players. Accordingly, it is important for us to show the best option for each target group so that it perfectly fits your requirement profile. Let's get started. The first category we have for you today is all about the best tennis racket for beginners. Here, we were completely won over by the Hyper Hammer 2.3 comfort racket from Wilson. It costs about 90 euros and is among the rackets we present to you today, so in the low price segment. You can order this racket in 3 different grip sizes, which makes the racket individually better in the hand and more comfortable. The balance point is at 36 centimeters, with more weight in the racket head. This racket is forgiven due to its large hidden area, and it has a lighter weight for better control on the court. In addition, the racket is made of hypercarbon construction for more power and spin, and it allows precise shots from the baseline. The second category deals with kids. This is about the best tennis racket for kids. For us, this is clearly the children's racket in Roger Federer design from Wilson. It is available for as little as 30 euros, but the price can vary depending on the size of the child. It is suitable for children from 3 years old and a height of up to 100 centimeters to start playing tennis. This is a very balanced racket, making it easier for children to learn to play tennis better. With Wilson's quadriform technology, there is also less vibration when hitting, and therefore better control over the tennis racket. With a larger sweet spot, there are also more frequent hits of the ball in the ideal area for more powerful strokes and more enjoyment of the game. This racket is truly ideal for kids. The third category is about the best tennis racket for seniors. For us, this place clearly goes to the O3 Legacy 110 from Prince. This tennis racket convinces us as a racket with high comfort and good handling. The oversized head of this racket provides a soft yet powerful feel. Prince has put a lot of effort into this because this racket has a new anti-torque system for more stability as well as the already proven O3 technology, a loopless construction that practically eliminates the strong vibrations. The O3 Legacy 110 is also made for players who want to have more performance in a single or double game. Because this arm-friendly tennis racket is a real bonus, it's priced at around 170 euros, making it the most expensive racket we've presented here. Now on the fourth category, which is about the best tennis racket for women. Here, the Graphene 360 Plus Instinct Light from Head is the clear frontrunner. At around 130 euros. The purchase price of this racket is in the mid-range of the tennis rackets we featured. With it, you have a more forgiving and powerful feel, but still enough control to hit close to the lines. By being a bit longer than normal, this racket provides a bit more force on ground strokes and serves than other rackets. The racket offers the spin potential needed to drop the ball hard when desired. The racket has also been updated with Graphene 360 Plus, a technology that combines the stability and power of Graphene 360 with spiral fibers in the lower part of the racket's head for a clearer feel at ball contact. Our final category for today is for the best advanced tennis racket. In this category, the V-Core game from Yonex triumphs for us. This racket is just below the highest price on our list, at 160 euros. It is suitable for intermediate level players looking for a lightweight performance racket, but it is also highly recommended for rising juniors. The racket features high modulus graphite for plenty of power behind every shot you make with it. On top of that, it features NanoMesh Neo, a durable carbon-based material that makes the frame even more flexible to transfer more energy to the ball. To top it all off, this racket also has head-heavy balance that helps keep the racket stable and comfortable at contact. And the isometric head shape provides a generous sweet spot. With this racket, you really have it all: maneuverability, spin, and controllable power, all in one package. And that's it, our top 5 tennis rackets. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That way, you'll be sure not to miss any of our other videos. You can check out the products on Amazon using the links in the description. Most of them were heavily discounted at the time the video was made. If you want to save, it is worth it to check quickly and see the current prices. We are already looking forward to welcoming you back in the next video.